Rancetto, which means rancid. Let me show you what I mean by rancid. Notice how the fat is slightly yellow. That is because it's been oxidized, making this guanciale a touch rancid. This is actually an acquired taste, maybe, but it's a very tasty piece of meat. Since we are speaking about the ingredients, the other important ingredient that differentiates this one from an amatriciana is marjoram, this beautiful aromatic herb. Compared to the amatriciana, there's also the added benefit of having sweet onions to it. Just like the amatriciana, we're going to saute the guanciale or the pancetta, whichever you choose, and in the drippings, the oil, the fat that is coming out of the pancetta and guanciale, we're going to then saute the onions, 1 or 2 onions, together with some marjoram. Then we're gonna dump the sauce on it, and by the way, here I'm using a mix of San Marzano tomatoes with some fresh datterini from Sicily. We reduce the sauce a little bit while the pasta is cooking, and then we combine everything just as usual. Ecco, perfetto, la fiamma come sempre media, medio-bassa. Guanciale o pancetta? Rancidella, rancidella, io ti levo dalla padella. Si è raffreddata un pochettino la padella, adesso mettiamo la cipolla. Sfrigola per bene. Guardate che bel colore che ha la nostra cipolla. Now we are adding the tomato sauce, our majorana, some salt, and we let it reduce while the pasta is cooking. La schiaccio e la presso leggermente con i polpastrelli. Tutto qui. La majorana si deve sentire per bene. Mettiamo ancora altra majorana. Benissimo. So what type of pasta we're going to use for the rancetto? Traditionally in Umbria, something called Umbricelli, which are similar to pisci. So probably in your ears, you're just about to hear one blasphemy after the next. You don't know anything about this too, right? Handmade water and flour, no egg, pasta that is elongated like a spaghetto, and it's more rustic in its size and texture. If you can find the Umbricelli, and I bet you won't, just stick with the spaghetti. Any long pasta would do here. Hey, this recipe was delicious, but if you're hungry for more, check out my latest book, Pasta Affair, 50 authentic Italian recipes from Italy. You will find a step-by-step guide for each recipe, including tips and tricks. Start a pasta affair, available on Amazon. The sauce is ready. Now we're going to combine our pancetta back in with the pasta that is ready as well. Then we finish off with pecorino cheese, more majorana, and your Flavia then is ready to sample it. Quindi spegniamo la padella, pecorino e impiattiamo. Pecorino, una bella manciata, adesso giriamo. E siamo pronti per impiattare. Il rancetto è la pasta al rancetto.